Okay, well, in today's video we are showing how to insert a SIM in Redmi Note 3. So this is the Redmi Note 3, and in this phone you can see this is the SIM card slot. You can put either one SIM card with the memory, the SD card, or you can put two SIMs. So for doing this you must first open this SIM card slot. You can use this SIM ejector tool, and you can insert here in the this is the SIM card, or you can simply insert here inside here. And like the way you can open this. So after opening the tray, you can take out the SIM card tray from here. I'm showing this in an old Redmi Note 3 phone. Okay, anyway, you can see this is the SIM card tray, and you can use here. Here it is written clearly. I hope you can see that this is the SIM 1 and this is the SIM 2. So you can put macro SIM in this SIM 1 slot, and you can put nano SIM in the SIM 2 spot. So you must take your SIM, and after taking your SIM you can insert here in the like this. So this is the method for inserting SIM to SIM 1. Okay, I take a nano SIM also, and I'm going to insert in the SIM card 2 slot like this. So this is the method for inserting SIM in Redmi Note 3. Now you can put it in the SIM card slot like this. So this is the method of inserting SIM. So now you have properly inserted the SIM in Redmi Note 3. Now if you check, you can see that the two SIMs are shown here properly, the Airtel and BSNL. Hope you understood how to put SIM in Redmi Note 3. Now I will show you how to put SD card also. Okay, take an SD card, and I'm going to put it like this. This is the method for inserting the SD card. And after that you can put the SIM. If you want one SIM, you can put the SIM also. After that you can properly insert. So now here show one SIM, and here also show the SD card. SD card is here, touch to open. So this is the method for inserting the SIM and memory card. Hope this video helps you. For more videos like this, subscribe Online. Thank you.